I'm John Williams. I live in Swansea. We've always worried about heating and whatever, but lately it's just frustrating that nothing can be done. Personally, my heating's been off, and I'm trying not to use the kettle so much.
I'm Michelle. I'm a full-time carer for my husband. I have an 18-year-old son. At the moment, I'm sort of trying to judge how much difference it's making to us by when I top up on my gas and electric, I write down how much I've put in. So I try not to go into the emergency, the £5 emergency credit. It's become a thing to associate it with you either heat your house or you eat. No, it doesn't always work that way. It's day-to-day living as well. You've got to be able to wash your clothes, dry stuff, basic things.
I haven't used a tumble dryer now for about a couple of months. If I can get out the house, I will, to save the electric. I know my mental health and my anxiety has got worse with it. When it goes up again, I don't know. I am definitely going to be in trouble. So I can just about manage it, barely, at the moment.
Come October, when the new rates come in again, that's, I don't know. I really don't know. We learn to deal with it. We learn to live with the chaos and the deprivation that we have to live in. I'd like to say we're living, but we're not living, we're existing. There's going to be a lot more people in similar circumstances to myself and others.
I go to the food bank. I got there at 12 today, there was already 15 people there. It was like this now, it's only going to get worse again.